Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Couture. Today I have a fun project. I am just taking a chalkboard that I got from our local home improvement store. I put chalk paint on it, and then when it was dry, I sanded the edges to get that distressed look. Then I took some Minwax in the natural color, put it on with a rag and buffed it off. Now I'm ready to do some work with our transfers. Now they are reusable, so I want to make sure I get it on the right side. You want the sticky side of the transfer to the glossy side of the backing. And then I fuzzed it, which you just saw. That simply is just taking some of the stickiness off. I don't want to pull too much of the white plaster chalk paint that I put on, so I did fuzz it up. Now this is the chalk paste. This is ours that we use. Now sometimes it gets a little thick, so I add a little bit of water, and I usually use distilled water and mix it up really good. You want it the consistency of yogurt. So just put it on a little bit. Then we use the squeegee, which is our tools to use this. We have lots of different sizes and shapes, so you have a lot to pick from. So you just squeegee it on, and then you take off the excess and put it back in the jar. You can use it again. All right, and there's a reveal. Every time, I just love it. Okay, now I'm going to add some little extras on it. I'm going to do this on the top. And if I do pick up a little bit of the paint in the background, that's okay. It's a rustic design, so I'm good with it. And this is gold shimmer that I used, one of my new favorites. We also have that in ink. All right, now I'm putting on some lips. I just think, that means hugs and kisses, so fit on there, in my mind anyway. Went on easy. Now I got this raffia, I think it's raffia. My local store, I think I got it at the dollar store, but you can find it anywhere where they sell crafts. I just simply wrapped it around and tied a bow on it. Just played with it till I got it the way I liked. Trimmed off the edges. There it is. Don't you love it? You want to try it? Go over to chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. Thanks for watching.